Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today is the day of My Creative Times 162nd edition release, and everything that we showcased yesterday is now available for purchase at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And so today is also her release and sale hop giveaway. And so you will need to be 18 years old or older, subscribe to everyone, and also here on YouTube and on Instagram, and also leave a comment in both places, and you will have two chances to win a $50 gift certificate to her store. If you like to use my code, it's MOE for 15% off your total purchase on today, and any days after today, it will be 10% off, although the sale goes until tomorrow night. I think that's about it. And so I'm just going to quickly review what we have released. I'm not going to go through everything. If you would like a more detailed preview of what we shared, please see the video on yesterday. This is her Blooming Day ephemera, and I love this ephemera. It's so pretty. The colors are just absolutely beautiful. I really like what she has released this month. All right, so this is the ephemera, like I said. You'll get 4 of each design. I do apologize once again for my voice. I caught another cold. Anyways, so this is the Tiny Bows and Butterfly Plate Die, and I love these. They are all very tiny, all different designs. Some butterflies are facing opposite ways. And then the bows, you'll have a beautiful selection of bows. Look at all of that. Just so cute. You'll actually want to pick up this plate. I love this. We also have more butterflies plate die. And that's how that looks. Absolutely gorgeous. And then she has a pocket full of seeds. Love this one here. It's so cute and so pretty when you put it together. And then there goes another die that's on the back side. It just has a layer, and it also cuts off the center, and you can, if you cut this into the paper, it'll give you the out and inside stitched hearts on there. And you can also layer this die with that one. Really cute. And then we have the Where Flowers Bloom stamp and dies, and I think you can see that through the paper there. And then we also have the dies there. So I have the round oval dies. Love these. These are so pretty, and love what I created with it today. And I'll show you that in just a moment. And then we have the Scattered Dots 2026 embossing folder. Hopefully you can see all of those little round dots. So cute. They're like a bubble dot, and I love that. I love embossing folders anyways. Now keep in mind that once the embossing folder is gone, it's gone for good. So if you want it, you might want to pick it up already. And then last but not least, we have the Blooming Pastels 2026 papers. And I did show you that in detail yesterday, but you can see everything here. And these are the 2 items that I created for you today. Let's start with the seed packet. Love how this looks. I did add stickles on everything, even the flower as well as the butterfly, and I put that on a clothespin. And really love how that turned out. I put thinking of you. Flowers felt easier than finding the perfect words. I thought that sentiment was good. There's still flowers on here. So it's really pretty. That's how the back of the seed pocket looks. And it is so cute. And I did use the heart and the extra layer for that heart back there. And the butterflies. I did forget to show you the items that I used. The additional items, which is the flower leaf, I think, comes with that strawberry. It goes with the strawberry plate die. So, but that's what I used there. And then her flowers that she released last month. Love that. And then this one, I made it into a card. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. So I used the cute bow dies there. And then the thank you kindly from her sentiments, where Flowers Bloom, I think is the name of it. Love that. And then I added those little butterflies around to coordinate with this, and then there goes the ephemera. And then what I did was I just took this plate that I cut out this here, and I just laid it right on top of that so that it was round, just like the card does. And then this right here is a layer of rayon. It's rayon paper that I picked up a long time ago, and I just layered it right on top of her orange paper there. So it just gives a little subtle color in the background. And then as you can tell, it has a little bit of painting on there. But I love that. And then this is from her foliage dies there. And then like I said, I made a layer in the inside there. Love how that looks. It's so pretty. And I did add the stickles again. So those are the items I created for you today. Let me bring out the items from yesterday. So this is also what I made with that seed pocket on yesterday. Love that. And there goes some more of that rayon paper there. And then I also made this one, which was with the rain embossing folder, and her cloud stencil dies. And I did add stickles to everything, all of her ephemera. Not stickles, but glitter. So love that. Then I also used the pocket die. Love how that looks. And it looks so pretty with this. I thought that was just perfect to set right in the middle of that. And then I also used the Happy Mail die along with the mailbox that she had a couple months ago, for all the times you've been there for me. And love those stickles again. So those are what I created. This is a gift card holder too, if I didn't mention that. But these are all the projects that I created. And once again, make sure you're commenting on everybody's posts, following them, 18 years old or older. Go over to Instagram and comment on those ladies over there as well. So you have 2 chances to win that $50 gift certificate. And I think that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.